Hello guys, so welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on Odatejish TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones.
Free Mandela, free Mandela, free Mandela, so we can. Now, more for placard and go court or chine. Social step as I say your time will come. Who may remember times 10. Whatever you wish for me, I wish 20 times of that. Munche red t-shirt. Now more for placard. Now so when you my dear friend of contempt. When you a dear friend of contempt of quarter. More for placard and go share that you know because say free Mandela, free Mandela, free hippopotamus. Test and test. Mama Kwa.
So what you say? I'm entrepreneurs award the year. If you are between the Wajim.
Pacho, my word is free through. I'm keep you on my word. I have awarded myself. Shatawale can't do.
Maybe a full line.
Me coins in me sika me kind on my word.
In the best of 5 minutes, but answer maybe a full lines. Two most important issues trending in Ghana at the moment. Bako, Akuapem Poloo, the court case with the Child Right International Organization and the Law Court of Ghana and a judgment a court to be ama na ye share him say pregnancy test in the bar she should be acquitted or
she has already been convicted. So
no, but
there is no acquaintance. When you are convicted, it means you are convicted. May educate you legally.
You can't educate me on legal matters. I'm saying, sir, at that sentence, she has been convicted. Now, yes, you're convicted. Not sentencing. What do you say? It is sentencing.
You let me crime or suspended sentence.
You bet to me a sentence. I won't go prison.
I know.
I know your summary.
I know.
You bet to me a sentence.
I know all that. I know you are a legal student.
You are convicted by sentencing. I know my person. What you say? Now, what is pending before the sentence? The pregnancy test now. Court every say na
which is mandatory.
No be gina so na or the sentence in aba obia de na notum sakode stone ball DKB Fela Makafui Afia Nocturna just celebrities are eka free Akuapem Poloo free Akuapem Poloo bebrebe now so Afia Schwar hold a different viewpoint to this. Why?
Abeku, right about now, I don't want to talk about stuff that in court, and clearly this is none of my business.
But you have commented on it already.
I said my comment. I just congratulated the Child Rights International for standing
for one party in the case.
So Asemuba, you decide where you wanna be. I no more free Mandela no. And then no being shot here. What's on social media free Mandela?
Child Right International Organization and a year complainant. Respondent and now say the accused Akuapem Poloo. And now court and a determined.
Clearly, I say me didn't baby.
Congratulate you. If you are congratulating Child Right International. Now, as a Uboma Basso,
sir, for once, Obiet me a story. Akasama Kolebi. Ye were about time with the eye on she or mama. Nebi no one am come bit me bunny back from pay no other for no real case. Madam Bra, me for Bianco Coto. Abeku, you cannot force Afia Schwar to think like you. You understand?
But is it fair?
Hashtag free Mandela. Hashtag drink cast mineral water. Whether it's fair or not, this world is not fair. Thank you. Is it fair for you to feel to and will try to your son. No, to your son. Is it fair to strip naked and try a picture of no dress, no? I don't want to talk about this. Honestly, I don't want to talk about it. I do not care. What I care is, for once,
when your case with your ex-husband video came,
you saw
people sympathize with you.
How many of them?
Oh, a lot of celebrities. Posting.
Sympathy is a choice.
Also, you don't have sympathy for Akuapem Poloo.
I don't know who you are talking about. I said sympathy is a choice, and I've taken my stand on this. My stand is with the child rights, not people who can't read and write that are making noise on social media. Free SMS. We have laws in this land. You can't just say come and free. Go, they should go and free here. I know social media. I'm on placard. No, China. If you really mean to support somebody, you see we have these fake ass people now. We got hashtag. No, I those people that are doing hashtag free asumesi free obentain. Why not in a chin and aqua to that? There be uncle when we are not cover by. Why not did Nachi? And then I call to that. Maybe I short time, yeah, baby.
Letter be a very important letter. Me pese me kind letter ni wasem kakra na maje wadwen kire ana also the okafa. But answer me kind letter. Afia, another trending issue, Nana Okonfo Agrada, Odifo Penny, Sofo, Kwaku Bofo.
Pacha, spiritual fight.
Afia, Bibiani,
I am who talk myself.
Bibiani Ghana, as I won't find.
I am who talk.
Okonfo Agrada,
Mrs. I mean,
Okonfo Agrada, and then
also
Kwaku Bofo.
I am who talk. I am who talk.
But physically, we should be
share a frobinium. Where this I went as spirit and yes, small issues there. We're in this one.
Sunday and Topane, what should be saying?
A bebo draw.
A bebo draw. Not just supporting Sofu.
Me knew be I'm supporting us. I fight. Me and Comatos anyway to go anywhere at Wabaway.
Or comfort Grada and then Kwakubo for a semi diakwe. Osha, the baby saying.
Me as the official beef commissioner of the nation, my dream call.
Okay, right. If you my main far opening to Ahomane so na minimsa and say be out the baby son. Nana Yabua Consultancy at the Krata Beto, the managing director of Peace FM and Despite Media and him. Na Yansa Kanwa Ahomane so. Nana Bema do you anyway? Nana who promote to Sunday? Ya no body ase nana patro anya bia wona we akwankyerefo pani ada nana ye mo consultancy ano ana yo nana wadaruma yansaka enkrata woma bia watintim bia bra kwankyerefo pani a wada Despite Media na data ehyeso eye 12 April ana wo signature edase nana ye boa anya bia wode enkrata bia bra Despite Media na yo, Nana Pacho, my main king say, son, I won't patch it up. The managing director, Peace FM, Accra, dear sir, madam, elected to ban all church programs from broadcasting on air. Nana, when I was saying, I'm banning a church program, I will get ready to swan now.
Hey, we won't feel. Hey, you must, mammy. We won't feel. Mammy, do crack. There 2 weeks.
Of all fetish programs being banned from airing on both TV and radio. I wish to state that if this ban is effected, then all church programs or any announcement pertaining to the churches, both on TV and radio, must also be banned. Now, this restriction or ban also applies to the churches that have their own media station. Now, if they are not banned, then I'm sorry the media station do not comply, would be shut down unless a fine of $55 million or equivalent in Ghana cedis is paid at the existing market rate before the media station will be allowed to operate once again. Account details. Account number 2030060215511. Bank, Fidelity Bank, Branch, High Street. I humbly ask that you circulate this information to all media stations. This closure takes effect in 2 weeks, that is 29th April, by which date we believe this announcement must have been well circulated to all media stations across the nation. This notice of fine or closure is to individual media houses. Not 2 or 3 media houses will be regarded as being under one umbrella. That's just a Peace FM Bianco, Neat FM Bianco, FM Bianco, OK FM Bianco, UTV Bianco. I wish to state again that all media stations that do not comply to this will be shut down. I hope you comply accordingly. Thank you. Nana, to me, bang a war. Our Ghana has a woman radio station, TV station, warning.
Compliance letter.
Oh my, up to 29.
Oh my, remote.
Sorry, programs, our radio so. What now? Why ever chassis station down? Now what is $55 million? Now see, can you young family account to be account to the one account to be done at the casa?
Okay.
Video panana.
I didn't say, I never made a new to me when I was there. Then I'm there at 2 of these 30. Now I said, what did you do? So I'm not going to say, me and my money.
What's in here? What's in here?
Nana, why not you let her know?
And a bank account.
Okay, Nana, you know, maybe about Afia Schwar nigga, I will send me the mouth.
Nana Pacho, good afternoon. Nana Pacho, why would a brown crama which was a letter? Nana, that won't cast some way. Who won't myself? And this cannot yet Chiama home and I yet Chiama. Nana Pacho, when a yame home.
5:30. Happy FM. Happy FM. Peace FM.
Worry.
On my FM. And I GBC.
Hey, Nana.
Thank you, Sina Karin. I ain't getting short. Woman, you woman, like a woman, I'm with me. I can't tell me,
Nana, Pacho, na. GBC dear, are your man penny dear? And to that time, this is what you call man penny. I swear. They say Ghana dear, won't I find a Ghana? Why never cheer? Won't me? A young woman, a motia dear. The Indian can say. Won't you?
Nana, you know we na answer me a new baby. We have functional that investigative center and expert in road design. Okay. Investigative center. Investigative center.
Almost
you, Nana.
Catch up with the patch away, patch away.
Yo, Nana me details it is a 29 for the show. Pay that so yeah, gospel programmer. Yen $55 million CD equivalent. Yen mu account to wrong.
2 million.
Okay.
I come as a
2 million now, almost say, they want my phone to know, all the account. What's that?
Bajo you.
It's a someone. Where am I? They can't send them. They give it to. What's that? It's a bomb with the air. Nana, Fidelity Bank, account on their mind. But when did that so?
Spirit. Spiritus. Spiritus. I bet you yes, soon the mayor lot number one.
Hey, the perfect man.
One time, 2 times, on the day I go right for you, I go die for you.